We are doing chapter 17. With Sharon, we both navigate and then we'll dive also. So, on chapter 17, we are fetching the box data. And then the first thing that we will need to do, we'll go to our app folder, and then inside the components folder, and then we'll create a file called box.jsx. And then after that, we'll add the following code. We'll import the link from next link, and then we will have the function to get the books, and then we will have the return function, which will be returning the books that we have clicked. And then after that, we will define the async function get books to fetch our books, and then the endpoint we are fetching from is the one where our books will have the pass response as JSON. So we'll have this function const book async, and then const books await get books, and then we'll have the return, and then we'll see the books there, and then uh, inside the books component we'll get books. Let me see if Sharon will have. Okay, yeah, I can continue until the next page. And then it will go to inside the book component, and we'll call the get books using the await statement. And then after that, we'll map to the books array, and then each book will be displayed using a card component from this UI, where it will look like a card. It will look like this here. This is a book, and then we can click there to buy it if we like it. And then after that, we'll add the following code. We'll go and we're basically doing what we explained. We are mapping the book, and then we'll let the class name, and then we'll let the title, the title, the class name, and yeah. So Sharon can continue from here.
Okay, so after we've done that, basically we're going to also include like a delete button, and we'll implement it later. So calling books from homepage, once our books component is ready, we include it in the homepage with the following code. So then we import books from our component books folder file as well. And then we define it at the bottom as well. And then we import and add the books component into the homepage component and remove the extra links. So we already have the navigation with the necessary links. And then if we run our application, this is basically what it's going to look like inside on our browser. And then, so we have created an API route handler that retrieves books data from our data.json file. We plan to transition this to pulling data from a Prisma database later, and that is going to be like in chapter 26. So finally, we would like to change the looks of the card, and we are able to do that. Like, just feel free to go to Daisy UI and you can choose whichever type that you want. So this is basically the end of our chapter. Thank you guys. See you in the next chapter.
What's up? Okay.
Did you really have to do that?
Do what?
Check what's up.
No, it's the phone.
Okay.